Riapertura domenica 1 dicembre 2019, dopo un importante restyling di Villa Frassino, stupenda dimora già presente nei libri di storia del 1408 a Villadose, in provincia di Rovigo. Per l'occasione la nuova gestione ha presentato una sfilata di abiti da sposi a cura di Giuditta Sposi. Entriamo anche nel backstage della sfilata complimentandoci con tutti gli attori della giornata.
Here with you, so take my hand and you'll see that your heart is safe with me. There's no place I'd rather be than right here with you. Strawberry moon on an evening in June, and just like you, it's beautiful way up in the sky. It shines through the night, and just like your eyes, it's beautiful. I'll never forget that night as we danced in the light of that strawberry moon. Reminds me of you, reminds me of me. When I close my eyes, it's all that I see. There's no place I'd rather be than here loving you. Strawberry moon on an evening in June, and just like you, it's beautiful. I'll stare at your smile just for a while, fine as muscadine wine. Here's to you, babe, I'll never forget that night as we danced in the light of that strawberry moon. And baby, please say your love is true. I'm yours, you're mine. I just wanna be with you. Under the strawberry moon on an evening in June, and just like you, it's beautiful way up in the sky. It shines through the night, and just like your eyes, it's beautiful like the strawberry moon on an evening in June. And just like you, girl, oh so beautiful, I'll never forget that night as we danced in the light of that strawberry moon. I held her till sun's first light, two hearts that danced in the light of that strawberry moon.